Hello everyone and welcome back to Gran Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Donna S espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace this thermoblock, the one that you see right here. This one unfortunately was blowing up hoses. As you see, this one over here, it was having some problems with the temperature. So we end up replacing the thermostat. This is the temperature sensor of the thermoblock. So it will have the right temperature whenever it does steam or hot water. We also replaced this hose, the one that you see right there. And we also deep clean everything and make sure there were no leaks inside the system or anything like that. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. That one over here is a previous shot that we did with this machine. Nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. Looking great and great quantity. Excellent shot of espresso. Looks great. Excellent crema. This machine working perfectly fine. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. Right now, hot water has been getting pushed from the water pump into this solenoid valve that you see right here, where the flow is going all the way to that thermoblock over here, going out inside a two-way valve over here, and then exiting through the one as you see right here. We don't have any leaks coming out from any size of this part of the machine. We don't have leaks coming out from anywhere, so the system is nice and sealed. Now we're going to be testing the steamer function of this machine. Once we fill out the hot water, the water tank. And now we're going to be testing the steam function of the machine. As this thermoblock over here starts to go up temperature, we're going to see much more steam coming out from the one. Going to push it to that side so that way we can see if there's any kind of leaking coming out from here. And as you see, there's none. The steam is coming out from the tray outside. Nice steam coming out of the machine, working excellent, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna Deluxe working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Gran Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.